What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sharp Technique. Today I have a great review for you. I have in front of you the ReyLight LAN Blu-Pur Titanium Custom LED flashlight. I bought this flashlight a while back. I've been wanting to get into flashlights a little bit more. I saw this on the internet. I did a little bit of research into the ReyLight series, and I really wanted this light. I really like the way it feels in my hand overall. I like the pocket clip tension that it offers. It's a good weight for me to carry in my pocket, to take with me around town. Anywhere I need to go, I've been able to take this light with me, and it's really a solid piece. Now, this light is made of solid titanium. It does come with the Nichia 219B. It has reverse polarity protection. It's got LVP or low voltage protection for the lithium ion battery. It's got temperature control to avoid overheating problems. It's anti-reflective coated lens. It has an aluminum alloy reflector. It's easy click switch operation. It's got a tail stand capability, so you can stand it up from the tail. It also has a great pocket clip, as I mentioned. The dimensions for this is going to be 3.8 by 0.8 inches or 9.7 by 2.16 centimeters. The weight for this without the battery is going to be 2.3 ounces or 65 grams. They also give you some spare O-rings in the package. This has one tritium slot at the tail switch, 3 around the head, and 12 around the tail cap. The tritium inserts are awesome. I really like them. They've been pretty good about keeping glowing, if you will, at night. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick demonstration of what this looks like with the light off. Sorry, because my camera is trying to focus in the middle of the night. So there you go. That is going to be 12 tritium inserts around the tail cap, 1 tritium slot at the tail switch. That's the purple one that you see there in the middle. And of course, there's going to be 3 around the head, making this a total of 16 total tritium inserts. This thing looks phenomenal. I really like it. I really have some people who have reached out to me because I did post some YouTube shorts on this one, and people are like, wow, what is it? What are the things around it? Are they glow sticks? What are they? So I did explain to them about tritium, and overall, honestly, it's an awesome looking light. Again, it's durable. It's made of titanium. And also, I really like the fact that it takes a lithium ion battery and that it has that LVP low voltage protection. So you always have to worry about that with these batteries. I try to put a standard AA battery in there, and it did not turn on for me. I don't know if some other people have had a little bit more luck with the ReyLight LAN putting a standard AA battery in there, but I had no luck turning this on. This does need a 920 milliamp battery, which is what is basically the standard or what is recommended via the manual. So I hope you guys like it. I did spend a pretty good amount of money. This light comes in at $150, but with the tritium inserts all put together and the labor that it costed to put this, it brought me well into the $300 to shy of $400, which again, tritium seems to be the way forward for a lot of new products, including like sights for your guns. I know the night sights are also tritium inserts, and the ones that I have on my gun have not failed me. They've been glowing every time. I don't really have to introduce them to the light to charge them up. You may have to do that at some point with tritium, but so far it's been awesome. Now, I did explain that this came with the Nichia 219B, but I opted for the Nichia 519A. and I ended up going with the 5700K light temperature. So I did want to upgrade. This is domed. I think there was a mix up. I did ask for it to be de-domed, but this did end up coming domed, which if you look down into the emitter, you can see that there is a small bubble. That would be the domed, because it's kind of like a half moon or a half dome, if you will. And if it would have been de-domed, then what they do is they would have taken a small like razor blade and just kind of shaved that part off. And it was, according to the gentleman that was explaining this to me, it sounds like it has a little bit more throw when you turn the light on. And for those of you that don't know what throw is, essentially what it is just it beams light into a specific point. So instead of it kind of throwing the light all around you, it centers it into a specific place. So I'm not saying that it's just going to be complete throw. It would be a combination of both. So it sounded good to me, but at the end, this did come domed. I don't think I got charged for that either way. So kind of happy about that. But I'm also happy that if the emitter came domed and the de-doming is kind of like a, you know, aftermarket third party procedure, then I would rather have it standard. And I don't know what de-doming the emitter would look like for the longevity of the flashlight. So in a way, I'm okay. I'm happy with it. Again, this does come with it. Actually, sorry, it doesn't come with the battery, but I did purchase the 920 milliamp battery, 3.7 volt. As you see, this is a USB-C charge battery, so I'm really happy that I don't have to continue to buy batteries. This is the 14500 lumen top battery, and again, USB-C, so you can always charge it and you don't have to worry about continually buying more. And I think I bought 2 of these, so just in case this one ever went out. Type C is kind of the future. This is something that a lot of flashlights now are doing. They're coming with rechargeable batteries, so I'm really happy about that. And again, it only takes one, so as long as you buy one, you'll be okay. And the removal of the battery is better done at the front end of the flashlight. You don't want to remove the tail cap because the pocket clip is there. So I kind of rather remove the front, and it's an easier way to take it out, and it doesn't mess with my pocket clip. So I'm going to take it outside now, and I'm going to go over some of the levels of the flashlight itself. So here, what I'm about to do is I'm going to engage what you call the blink mode. So the first blink is 20% light. As you see, you can barely see anything. That was the moonlight setting. This is now the second blink. The second blink offers a 40% light, and then the third blink, I believe, would jump up to the 50%, and the fourth blink is going to be at 100%, giving you a total of 650 lumens. Now there is some programming involved that is a little bit harder to mess with, but there is a memory mode that you can engage. There's also a moonlight mode, but again, I'm not there yet. I don't know 100% on the light. It did not even come with instructions, being that it was a custom, so I'm still trying to download the owner's manual from the web, and hopefully I'll have that here shortly, and I can always do another review on the different modes and the way it works, and even the memory mode. So just in conclusion, and some of my final thoughts, I really love the light. Again, it's a talking piece. People like to see it when the lights are off. People are pretty amazed by the tritium as it glows, and I do believe I got a really nice pattern going with the orange and the purple. I really love the light. I recommend you guys go pick one up. If the tritium part isn't for you, or maybe you think it's too expensive, I completely understand. Again, this is my hobby. This is something that I love to do. So anyway, this is my review. Once again, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and as always, stay sharp.